Welcome to the Hellscape Garden. In honor of temperatures breaking into the 110s and the summer solstice, I present to you the Hellscape Lamentation. In the land of sun and scorched mirage, where lizards lounge and plants sabotaged, I dared to grow some verdant hope, a pepper, maybe kale, or even a cantaloupe. I woke up early, full of cheer. At 5 a.m., the cool time here. By 10, my shovel's molten hot, my marigolds, well, they're a crispy lot. The sun shone and laughed a fiery jerk, while I applied my SPF before my work. I watered deep, I mulched with care, but my tomatoes burst from pure despair. Use shade cloth, cried my neighbor June, while planting squash in late monsoon. But shade cloths tear in desert gales and scare off bees and creatures with tails. The basil bolted, the peas just quit. My compost pile caught fire a bit. A cactus mocked me with a grin. That smug bastard, hand me my gin. I built a small moat to save my kale. I boiled my roots like ginger ale. I checked the soil, was hot as soup. My beans had reached their terminal droop. Still I persist, I mulch and I plan. I build shade forts like only Mad Max can, with oyas buried underground and moringa trees that stand their ground. So heed this tale, ye green-thumbed brave, who dream of Eden neath a heat wave. In this sun-baked, blistered landscape, you too can grow food in this hellscape. Just rise at dawn, mulch thick and deep. Let's try to do this cheap. Embrace the weird, go native too, and never garden after noon. So good luck. I hope you survive summer. And don't forget to like and subscribe. These videos don't make themselves.